Why are you looking at pictures of bald, fat men?
I'm looking for a guy for my mom. I don't know, I just thought that she could try out online dating.
She's divorced. She's not desperate. You didn't tell your mom about your dad and Meredith, did you?
I just thought it would be easier for her to hear if she had already met someone else.
Look, Aria, your mom's a catch, okay? She can meet someone in person. She doesn't have to do it online.
Hey, girls.
Hey, Mom. Hi.
Okay, what don't you want me to see?
Nothing.
No more secrets, remember? Should I be worried?
I'm trying to find a guy for my mom.
Yeah, preferably someone who doesn't look like a grape.
He's cute.
Sort of. Mom, he has a unibrow.
Tell your mom to use mainline mate. It's a much better site.